Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Good afternoon, guys. So, sorry about yesterday. Today's a totally new day. The GoPro ran out of battery last night, so I had to charge it. And Super Bowl was going on. As you guys know, it's Sunday Super Bowl. So a bunch of the guys were here. We just decided to hang out and not film everything last night. But today's a new day. I'm running to the gas station, corner store for a quick drink. And then a couple of the guys are already here. They're hungry, need some food. So I'm gonna run the store and grab them some stuff. So enjoy the ride. You know, we might talk about certain things, what's currently going on at Rise, and some of the other things. But currently right now, we're just cleaning up from the Super Bowl, cleaning up from the orange cells, putting away the canopies, putting away just almost everything, you know, everything we took out over the weekend. We took out a lot of things. You know, I'm driving by an orange right now, and I'm already seeing that a lot of our oranges was picked already, but that's only a section of our oranges that was gone. We still have about 4 more acres of orange trees that are still available. So come out. We are open Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's getting a little bright here. I'm gonna put my sunglasses on. Again, we are open Friday, Saturday, Sunday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Come out. It is $8 a bucket, 3 for $20. It's a killer deal, guys. It's Valencia orange. It's sweet. It's good. You know, I love eating these oranges. I'm sure you guys will too. I apologize for the wind. It is a little windy. I currently just swapped this engine for my truck, and let's say 2 months ago. I have yet to install AC. So, you know, today's a little warm. It's about 65 degrees outside today. I gotta keep the windows open, cool down the car a little bit. Other than that, I do apologize for the wind noise. I'm really new to these vloggings and these content creation. Many of you guys know, prior to Rise, I was a photographer or video photographer. I shot a lot of weddings. I shot a lot of events. So I'm very good at being behind the camera, but not really ever in front of the camera. So apologize for, you know, any you know, bloopers or miscommunication, any of that. You know, like, I'm really new to this. I really am. I honestly don't know how you vloggers do it. I am terrible at doing this thing. I just wanted to you know, start this to kind of show you guys what we do here at Rise, what's our daily routine. And as you guys keep watching, as we keep filming, you guys will start to see more of the detailed day-to-day life here at Rise. Especially like when we do events, we're gonna try to film as much as we can, explain as much as we can. I'm gonna be, of course, really busy on those days, but you know, we will have, you know, our media team coverage it for you guys, you know? So you guys get to see behind the scene what the preparation is, what we have to do to get these things going, and how busy it gets. And you know, you don't get any sleep, you don't get any rest, and all. So right now I'm pulling up to the gas station right now, and I'm gonna get something to drink. I've been drinking a couple of my volunteers Monster drinks, so I gotta refresh that for them. But you know, in front of me I see a vendor, you know, a tent vendor, a small business, and most like a Latino or Spanish, you know, vendor selling flowers for Valentine's Day. And tomorrow is Valentine's Day. I have yet to get my girlfriend anything, so dude, yeah, most guys out there will be in my position, or if you are in my position, you're like, oh shit, you know. So great opportunity. I'm probably gonna buy her something, see what there is right there, and hopefully we can make her happy tomorrow, and I don't get grounded. But that might not even go in the video, who knows. But I'm gonna run to the store. I don't want to film inside the store, so I'll see you guys shortly when I get back. All right, I am back. So a little story about what happened. I definitely took longer than I needed to. But as I was buying some food and some drinks from a volunteer, remember that booth I was talking about? So I met the lady who is running it, and very amazing gal. I ended up helping her buy some stuff. So I bought some lice. It's a 2 flower with yellow carnation, really beautiful for the girlfriend. I did also get a really nice beer present for her with a balloon that says I love you. So we have that. I am on my way back to the ranch to feed the volunteers, which is a short drive to the gas station here from the ranch, only about a mile. So I'm currently heading back to the ranch. As you can see, I was telling her about what Rise is, and surprisingly she heard of us before, or she heard a little about. She knew that we were Hmong-centric, or at least that we are one of the more popular Asians in Fresno who are into the community here. So that was actually really interesting to hear from the community, and I love hearing stuff like this for our community, about just who we are and what we do has made an impact here in Fresno. I can't speak for other communities outside of here, but definitely here in Fresno, California, we have about 230,000 Hmong people who live here in Fresno, at least for what was counted in 2020. That was the census number, but we make up a little percentage of the community, but we make one of the hugest impacts. And of course, it's probably because of the New Year's and our events here that makes it popular for the community to know about us and hear about us. But it's also about the organizations here in Fresno. Organizations like the Fresno Center, Stone Soup, so many Guardian Angels, us here at Rise, and there's so many other organizations that I don't have on the top of my head. But we have schools such as General Ring Powell Elementary. We have just a ton of them, a ton of organizations out there that every day we strive to help our community, not just the home community, but the community out there. Yesterday I was meeting up with a volunteer. I didn't get to film that because that's internal. However, I did meet up a volunteer. She's seems to be a great candidate. We'll see about that. As of yesterday, she has officially signed on as a volunteer at Rise in the marketing department. So we'll see. I have currently about 3 members in the marketing department right now. We are always looking for more volunteer intern positions. So if you are a marketing intern or a college intern that needs hours, my flower just fell, for your school hours, or you just want to simply volunteer because you want to do marketing, you want to do photography, video photography, any of those things, do reach out to us. I just pulled up back to the ranch. I am gonna go hand off food to the volunteers. I will see if I film that or not, but yeah, definitely after that I have to install a 220 plug for our PR's BMW. Alright guys, we are back. Now I have to put in that EV charger I was talking about earlier. So bear with me. I might not talk much on this one. I did not film earlier when I started this, but I'm gonna film now. So tonight, final job of me is to clean up our lights and reprogram them for our upcoming events. A couple upcoming events that I have not touched these lights in a couple months. They're all dusty and dirty. It's out here in the ranch. We don't really have a indoor enclosed space to store them. They're quite dirty. I got 2 done cleaned. Got 6 more of those beams to clean, and then we have 8 wash. I still got to clean and set up, and then 4 LED bars and 4 blinders. Still got to clean. So we got a ton of stuff. It's gonna be a long night doing this. I'm just using Windex, which is completely safe for this. Lay it all down, spray around. Yes. Start wiping it down. Starting with the lens. These are beam models. They're not the highest quality of lights, but they I actually really like it. They are, compared to the Chavez and the American DJs, of course, they're not as great when it comes to the program. But you know what? They have not had an issue on me so far, besides the one time when I first bought this set, one of it caught on fire. It was not ideal at all, and it actually happened at the event. The event we were hosting about a year ago, actually. So that's around how long we owned these lights. About a year ago, one of these caught on fire on me. And it was right at the event. We had everything set up. The event was about to start, and one of my friends, who's also a lighting engineer, called him, and I thought he was messing around with me. He flagged me down, said, "Hey, your light's on fire." I was like, "Nah, you fucking with me." And he wasn't joking. I ran with him, got the fire extinguisher from the side of the stage, and no shit, the light was on fire. So I sprayed from, say, 10 feet away, 10 feet down, because it was on the truss, similar to the one you guys see here, but it was a full truss that was built already. It caught on fire, and I sprayed from down here, kill all the power, and it was still burning. It was still on fire. Still burning on fire. It was smoking, just all yellow from the fire extinguisher. And eventually took it down, and got it repaired. Sent it in and got it repaired. But it was all because the fan in the in the light unit wasn't working. Had a faulty fan, so it wasn't on, and the light was just heating up the balance. Of course, again, a more expensive version will have some kind of heat sensor that will shut the light off, but these are not it. And so I paid the price for getting the cheap lights. I mean, these are they were around $500 a head, so a piece. So they weren't cheap. But compared to like American DJ and Chavez, where one of these lights were like $2,000, it's considerably cheap in the market of what it's for. Of course, these are made by a better brand than stuff, but it still has a lot of uncertainties in it. So every time I set these lights up, I always gotta clean it, test it, make sure it's working, running for hour to 2 hours on high beam, on the strongest beam, strongest light output. So make sure nothing blows up, nothing catches on fire.
This is the light program link.
Yep.
Boom, 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 boom. Bom, 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 bom.
哎，咱这夹这高头哟，
哦哦哦。
这哪多哪高不硬的？
Prism insertion.
It basically changes the type of lighting.
There's only one.
There's more than one. But that just insert the prism. If you choose a different prism, you gotta go to effects movement. But first you gotta turn the prism. Turn the prism all the way. See a prism rotation up. Prism all the way up. So they change it. Okay, now you will change the type of prism. No, that's rotation. Oh, static go bowl. That's what I meant. Change the type of.
Is it what's built into the lights? Spin.
Sometimes you really have smoke that it comes out really nice.